There's always so much to do to get ready for the holidays, whether you're the host or even just a guest. Ashley Barnes from Price Chopper is here with us today with some last-minute holiday entertaining help. And we all know this time of the year, everyone is so busy and we have all those last-minute entertaining things we need to do and gifts to give as well. What ideas do you have for people today?
Yeah, thank you. Hi. So I have brought 3 terrific ideas that are fun for entertaining, taking to a party, or even if you just wanted to give it to your neighbor. We like to call these homemade-ish because the base is store-bought, but you're going to take it home and you're going to make it your own.
Add some personal touch for sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we have these flowers here that smell incredible.
Yeah.
Best ways to make these arrangements to give to people.
Absolutely. So we have our bouquets in store that you can go in and get. So go in, grab one of those, bring it home, and let's make it your own with your kids, or even if you want to make it a personal touch just for them to do, to be a table arrangement for you. Grab out your vases that you already have at home, either tall, short, we'll go over both. This one being a bigger vase, you can get your bouquet. We've already cut these to help, but of course you're going to cut them down to fit your vase, and then kind of arrange together as needed in there to make them look full and pretty. And then to add a personal festive touch, if you have any ribbon at home, you can add that. Just tying a little bow. Maybe we'll make this a little bit longer.
And what is this? Do you know?
I am definitely not a florist.
I love it.
But they are fun and the color is perfect.
Yes.
That color is my favorite holiday touch. But then just like that, you've got a little bow and you've got your own arrangement that you made.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we've got the smaller vase option too.
Yep. So if you've got a smaller one, cut them down a little bit smaller, get it in there. Perfect.
And I love that silver.
We've got our touch of silver. So even if you have this that you're using for your presents at home, you can just add a little touch of that. And I think the kids love these. They could enjoy curling them.
Yes.
Putting it on there however they prefer.
Definitely.
This is not going to tie for me.
Easy to do though, and super pretty. Now, you mentioned the kids loving getting involved with the ribbon curling and everything.
Absolutely.
What are some of those best ways to get the kids involved this season with these things? Obviously, we have these super cute snowman graham crackers, s'mores.
Aren't these fun?
Yes.
So, I mean, I'm saying you probably already have some of these at home, or these are just a quick buy to grab into the store. So with these, you're going to take your graham cracker and you're taking your marshmallows, but you're cutting them in half. So these are 3 halves right here. You're going to put them in the microwave for about 10 seconds so they melt together. Make sure your marshmallows are already together, put it in there, then they're going to melt together. Then while they're gooey, you're going to be able to add your chocolate chips for your eyes, your candy corn for the nose, and then of course your pretzel sticks for the arms.
Super cute
How
little
fun
snack.
Is that?
Yes,
yeah,
so
absolutely.
festive. And I love that we're using candy corn for the nose because we all have that leftover Halloween candy, and this is just repurposing it to the extreme.
About that.
Absolutely. And so what about, people who are needing to find these creative ideas? Where's the best place for them to go?
Yeah, so you want to go ahead and we have our Gatherings magazine in stores that are full of these ideas. You can also go online to mypricechopper.com. They're going to have all these ideas for you, as well as Facebook and Instagram. And then we also have our everyday foodies that you can follow that post their recipes and ideas on our website.
So many options. We have another homemade-ish idea for you if it comes to the snack this season.
Right, this is fun, different. It's popcorn. So it's creating your own seasonings to just spice up your popcorn. So we have put together we have a herby blend and an Asian kick, and we have these recipes on our website. So we've just taken, you can get these fun little canisters that you can put them in. Even if you have a shaker already that you could use in your cabinet, you can put your blend in there. And then as a gift, you can take home some in a basket, do kernels with the seasoning, or if you want to do an already made popcorn, already seasoned, cute container, decorate it up, and this could be a great gift.
Yeah, super cute. Thanks so much for all the wonderful ideas.
Yeah,
These are great for those last minute options.
Yeah.
And Price Chopper is your one-stop shop for all of your last minute holiday entertaining needs. Take care of your flowers and arrangements, order custom trays, dinners, desserts, and pick up great last minute gift ideas. You can order online and pick up at your store. Go to mypricechopper.com.